test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set, never leave, she's so bad. She made the brag, the gas in the back of the set, never leave, she's so bad. She made the brag, the gas in the back of the set, never leave, she's so bad. She made the brag.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Nah, untuk sekarang ini cuacanya lumayan cerah. Jadi saya akan melakukan finishing untuk cat yang kemarin saya cat belum selesai nih. Asalnya ini belum di finishing, belum di clear. Bagaimana untuk hasil akhirnya? Tetap pantengin terus di channel saya di Warna Baru Channel. Jangan lupa juga untuk like, komen, dan subscribe-nya.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
I'm gonna be someone.
pace on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun, and now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it, but I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.
Oke sahabatku semua, ini mungkin proses finishing udah selesai. Nah, ini udah bling-bling. Ini buat cover yang warna putih. Ini yang brownnya, ini list bodinya ya, sama kap mesin, sama leksil kontak. Ini juga udah selesai. Kita tinggal proses perakitan. Mungkin cukup sekian video dari saya. Semoga menginspirasi buat modif-modif motornya. Jangan lupa sekali lagi buat dukung channel saya dengan cara like, komen, juga subscribe-nya. Mungkin cukup sekian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.